Well, that's it, we're home. We got the stuff out of the trunk and we're heading in. It's so surreal to be home after a trip like this. But the one thing I can't stop thinking about is all the videos I'm gonna be making. And you know, the very first video I wanna make is a review on all the gear I just used. Because I made a full list of all the gear I was bringing right before I was leaving, and oh, hey. And well, I want to make a review now of all that gear because really, there's some things that worked great, like my buffs, and there's other things I did not like as much. But first things first, I need to go get cleaned up. Yeah, definitely. You'll find out more about my trip in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon to get notified whenever I release a video. Buen camino.
Bye-bye.